So good evening everyone. So before I proceed the topic, so by the way, I am Bongano Shinami from Ventec Power Plant 2F. So I live in Barangay Sanuakin, Palampon, Leyte. So the topic is relativism versus absolutism. So the one that I chose is absolutism. So for me, absolutism is a person's is recognized as one powerful persons, and examples are king or queens or the most powerful persons, and that her decides uh, on every law that implements, and also does not need opinion to other people. So you should be the one follow their obey the law or follow the implements of law.